Good morning, traders. This is Perry Wilkie with StartupTrading.com. It is Wednesday, January 13, 2021. So I'm going to make this quick today because I don't think there's a whole lot going on, to be honest with you. Everyone's waiting on the banks that are going to report Friday and the inauguration. That's not going to happen for another week. So we are unlikely just to stay exactly where we are until either of those events happen. So my title of the video is it time to move the auction? So how will I know when it's moved? We'll either get above this blue box up here on the ES, which is 38.19 quarter to 38.24 half, right? Or we're going to get really below this green box down here, which is 37.28 half to 37.30, right? So one of those two things are going to happen, and you can see right now we've been stuck between 37.75. Basically, we pierced under it yesterday, right? Our bell low was 37.68, but that was short-lived time below that, and then after we come back up above, notice how we got that bid very close to 35 or 37.75 and then came up. So in the overnight, right, getting close down to that line and back up. I think there is a stopping point that's right around 37.48 plus or minus 2 points that could be embraced before we get down to these 37.30s as well. Looking at all the indexes, in the middle of value, in the middle of, or actually now at value area low, I draw value area high and value area low as zones. We are in the value area low zone now, basically for the ES. Just above that area for the NASDAQ in value for the Russell, right? So far, really just staying in balance that we had yesterday. Overnight range for the Russell, no surprise, above yesterday's bell high. Uh, Below yesterday's bell high, above value area high for the NASDAQ. Slightly above yesterday's bell high, right, at 38.05. But if you remember the previous day, we were right up there at 38.05-ish as well. And then for the Dow, right, it tested up above that zone, right? It got up all the way to 31,060 in the futures. So we'll see. One thing I can tell you is we are in balance, right? When we break out of balance, we've been here for a few days now. There should be a little bit of a move, right? The moves can always be either a pop and a flop, right? So you pop up, you look above it. Some people call that a look above and fail. I call it a pop and a flop. Either way, same thing. Come up here short-lived for the amount of time that the consolidation took place. You fall back through, you should target the other end of the zone, which would be 37.75 quickly. The opposite is also true. If you look below, right, and you have a false break, come back down here, pop back up, you will be targeting the other side as well. So those are two other scenarios other than continuation of the break. So keep those in mind. I really don't have anything else for you. I wish I did, but you can only trade what the market's giving you, and the market isn't giving us much other than these levels to watch. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.